So these are the doors. Nothing modified yet. This is how it came out. So you got these spaces, some of them you gotta fill in. Gotta flatten it out a little bit. This one in particular is a little bit slanty. Straighten that out. So you got some of them. These ends aren't so straight. The other set. So I have to straighten out these doors. Come together on the top. Definitely not easy to make these doors yourself. Perfect. If you don't need perfect, then it's good enough. Or if you know how to cut these pieces very straight, if you got the better tools, then maybe you could give it a shot. For a basement closet, should be fine. We'll straighten everything out, we'll sand it down a little bit. So this is an idea of the doors, what you get into. If you want to do it yourself. It's the back side. So these doors are a little overlapping. We'll try to cut all of the hinges. We'll try to cut into the hinges. Also this one, adamant with other doors, they don't want to go in all the way. It's not too bad. The other ones were worse. And so I realized that it's kind of pushing against itself. So I want to cut the door. I want to sand it down a little slanty so I could move in a little bit more. So I cut it that way, slanty. And then I'll cut the hinges in the groove. And we'll see how much space that gives me. So we're going to sand this on an angle. So we're going to sand this on an angle, so we'll try to take off more on this side than this side. Should be a little slanty this way. We'll do it on both ends actually. Also sand the top a little bit, straighten it out. Didn't do that yet. I set the depth as thick as the hinge, and I'll just cut around it. Now it's staying more inside. Now it doesn't have hesitation. It still has overlap, so we'll work on that. So for the doors, I use this plastic wood from Home Depot to fill in all the gaps that I had. Anything that was in the side, anything in the sides I filled in. And then I sanded it down, and then it's ready to paint. So I got these small hinges for the door, for the double door. Put 4 of these. So the doors I didn't do so perfect. It's on the top it connects to each other, but and they're not so straight. For basement, okay, it's good enough for me. For me it is.